This is a 2010 Toyota Tacoma extended cab 4-door with a manual transmission and 4x4. 120,000 miles. Very, very clean truck. You'll be lucky to find a door ding on this thing. Super, super clean. We have undercarriage pictures on our website. Bed liner, sliding rear window, the SR5. Just incredibly clean truck. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically, like all of our vehicles. We have 125.3 owned inspection. All 4 doors open up. The vehicle is running. The tires are in great shape. Gray cloth interior is in phenomenal condition. AM/FM CD, manual transmission, 4-wheel drive, 120,000 miles. Power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise control. So this is a 2010 Toyota Tacoma 4-door extended cab, 120,000 miles, 4x4, manual transmission, just a stunning truck. It needs nothing.